milk with lots of fats in it. You need dish soap, a different food coloring. I have 4 different colors. You can use minimum 2, or you can use as many as you want. And then you need a plate or a shallow bowl to pour your milk in. So you're going to start by pouring your milk. To fill up your plate. And next you're going to take your food coloring. And you're going to drop it everywhere around the milk. So I typically do about 4 drops of each color. So as you drop them in, you should notice that the color is just sitting on top of the milk. It's not mixing anywhere. Okay. So once you've added all your color, you should just look like they're separate colors sitting on top of the milk. Next, you're gonna take your dish soap, and all you're gonna do is drop in 1 little drop of it. Right into the middle. And you should see your colors and your milk start reacting against each other and mixing all together. If you want even more reactions, you can add another drop wherever you would like. And then it should all start to swirl around